Framework Laptop 16 Review. Is it the best modular laptop upgrade yet? So the Framework Laptop 16 is a large screen 16-inch modular upgradable laptop designed around the idea of repairability, customization, and future-proofing. Instead of soldered-in parts, you can replace or upgrade the components, the RAM, the storage, the ports, and even the GPU, and reorder modules like for keyboard, trackpad to fit your preferences. So in the 2025 version, it adds support for the new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 GPU module and updated CPUs as well. So let's talk about the pros and cons. It is highly modular and is upgradable. You can upgrade it or replace the storage, the RAM, and everything. It also offers strong performance with the modules of GPUs. It has an excellent customization option, and it potentially is more sustainable and future-proof because of its repairability and upgradability. Now for the cons though, the price is high, especially with upgrades, and once you add necessary modules, it can get scaling up to costs. It also has a build and ergonomics compromisations, because the keyboard module can feel mushy and the touchpad can have keyboard spacers. And the display is not cutting edge compared to OLED, and they have a complexity and user involvement as well. So overall, it is a rare breed, a powerful full-size laptop that you can truly own, upgrade, repair, and customize over its lifespan. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications